Hello everybody, welcome back. I have found a highly addictive way to use up your rub-on transfers and create something very beautiful and highly useful at the same time. So I thought I'd do a little video and show you what I've been making and then show you how to do it yourself. So if you enjoy inspiration videos or haul videos or tutorial videos, please do make sure you're subscribed to my channel, and if you enjoyed today's video, please do leave it a big thumbs up. So for the ones that I've been making, I've been using up some of my Craft Consortium rub-ons. I've pretty much finished Belle Fleur. I've made a good dent into Christmas Market. This is actually the one we're going to be using today, but I've kind of used all of them in some shape, form or fashion, and this is what I've been doing with them. So I got these little Hessian bags and I've been applying them to the front of the bags. How cool do these look? So I thought these would be great for like a gardener to put seeds in and keep in the shed. Or like you could put a pack of tissues in here. You could create teacher gifts with these and put like a little lip balm in there. You could have this in your handbag with the tissues. There's so many things you could do. And then these ones, so with Christmas Market, I mean, look how gorgeous these are. I thought these would be great. Like, get some of those chocolates, the round balls, I think Cadbury's do them. Put them in there, tie them and hang them on your tree. They would look so cute. The other idea I had was the make your own advent calendars. I have one for my daughter and I've got some things to go in that, and I could actually put them in these bags and put these bags in the little advent calendar just to add a little bit more interest. So this is kind of what I've been doing. I think you've got the gist of what I've been doing now. So I'm going to show you how I do this. Okay, so I've been using these little bags. These ones came from Amazon. I think it was like £6.30 for 30 or something like that. They really weren't expensive. They're just little Hessian bags. They are about 4 inches by 3 inches. Now, I don't know if you can see, but all the strings are showing, which irritates me a little bit. So I tend to have been turning them inside out and trying to make them look a little bit nicer, because I just think, I know they were only £6.30 or whatever they were, but I still want them to look nice. They're not the best quality in the world, but I still want them to kind of do okay. Now I have lost 2 because when I turned them inside out and started taking the strings, trimming the strings, like making them look nicer, like they started coming apart. So I think those ones, anything that I lose, I will give to my daughter so she can have a go, because I think she quite enjoyed doing this. Yeah, just be aware. So I'm just going to trim these loose frayed bits off really quickly, and then we'll get to it. So you can use any transfers you have, but I will warn you, this is a highly addictive thing to do, and you could do it sat in front of the TV. It's so easy. They do not take long to do, and they're just super useful. Imagine sending some of those out with Happy Mail in, or using them as the Happy Mail themselves. I'm sure there's lots of people that would love to receive something in a pretty little bag. Or if you do craft fairs, take them and sell them. Okay, so there we go. So now I'm going to decide which way is the front. So I think I'm going to have this side as the front. And I'm going to grab out my transfers. So the great thing about the Craft Consortium ones are they do come with the lolly stick. I know you can get like an applicator for transfers. I've seen it. Like, honestly, for this, a lolly stick's fine. I'm not spending extra money to get like some applicator when they provide the lolly stick in here. So I'm going to use the wreath for today's video. So I'm just really carefully going to trim around it. Okay, there we go. Got my wreath. I'm going to tidy these bits back into the packet. And then all you need to do is work out where you want it. So I kind of think they look quite nice in the middle. So we'll remove the white paper, just be left with this. Carefully place it down in the middle, or wherever you might want it. Give a little press down. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, because I'm on a table that rocks a fair bit, I'm going to speed the video up because I don't want to make you sick with like the motion and the rocking of the table. But I'm going to show you. All I'm going to do is rub over this with the lolly stick. And what's really good is you can actually see as it comes off the transfer paper, you see that it goes lighter. So that's what we're going to do now. We're just going to rub over the top of it with the lolly stick. Okay, so I've gone over that quite thoroughly. What I'm going to do now is really carefully start lifting the transfer paper up. But the good thing is, with this, you can see straight away if something hasn't quite stuck down, and you can just go over it and give it an extra little rub if you need to. There we go. So that has applied itself to the bag. And now all I do is I'm just going to rub over the top of it with my finger. Just because at points you can still see, I don't know if you can see on the camera, there's like a little outline from the transfer paper. So just by going over with your finger tends to just get rid of that a little bit. Okay. So how quick and simple is that? And it's so addictive. It's so easy to do. It uses up some of the stuff you've been hoarding, and it gives you something super useful. Once these are on, like that's not coming off. I wouldn't recommend putting it through the washing machine because that probably would lift it or disintegrate it. But it also hasn't gone through. If I turn this, it hasn't shown through. It hasn't stuck the bag together. And it's just a really nice way to make something really cute for any occasion, really. So I really hope you've enjoyed that really quick video showing you a really fun way to use up your rub-on transfers. If you give it a go, do let me know. Let me know how you get on. And thank you so much for watching today. Let me know what you think of the little bags I've created. And I hope somebody somewhere finds this video useful. As I said, I've used my Craft Consortium ones. If you've got those, you can use them. If not, use what you do have. Rub-on transfers have been around absolutely years, and us crafters do like to hoard these kind of things. So use up your stash and make some beautiful, beautiful little bags. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate everyone that takes the time out of their day to watch my video. If you're not already subscribed, please do hit the subscribe button. It helps my channel grow and reach more people. And if you've enjoyed today's video, please leave it a big thumbs up. I will be back soon with more videos. So until next time, take really good care, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.